My name's Frank. These are the folks that have come to help me up here at St. John's Church in Chambersburg teach line dancing. This line dance is called Cowboy, B-O-Y, Boogie. It's done to Brooks and Dunn's boot scootin' boogie. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to grapevine to our right and to our left. So we go right, touch, left, touch. Now we're going to go forward, right, left, touch. Now we're going to throw our hips forward twice, throw our hips back twice, and then go one and turn. So we go boogie, 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 step and turn. And then we go to that wall in that direction. All right, so we're going to try to do it all four walls, and then we'll get going. All right, ready? To the right. Right, left, touch. 1, 2, 3, forward, right, left, touch. 1, 2, 1, 2, step up, right, left, to the left. Go forward, right, left, touch. Boogie, 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 step, turn, right, to the left, right, go forward, all right, left, 1, 2, 3, bump, boogie, 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 step, turn, right, to the left, left, go forward, right, left, touch, boogie, 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 step, and turn. So that's the dry run of it. You can now turn to the one with the music.